tooth!
It is a toothache. We must go to the dentist.
It is scary!
Now, open wide, say ah.
Bring the drill! Break this white wall!
Help! Help! The bugs are inside me!
Mommy! Daddy!
What happened?
Leo, calm down, baby. What is wrong?
Help me! My tooth! It hurts! It feels like fire!
Oh my gosh. Ethan, look at his cheek. It is very swollen.
Let me see. Maybe a big mosquito bit his cheek.
No, Ethan. It is a toothache. We must go to the dentist. Right now.
No! No, dentist! It is scary!
Come on, Leo. Be brave.
Hello. My son has a toothache. It hurts a lot.
Hello. Let me check. Do you have an appointment?
No, we don't. But it is an emergency. Please help him.
I understand. Please sit down and wait. The doctor will call you soon.
Daddy, did you hear that noise? What is that?
It is just a mosquito. A big mechanical mosquito.
Daddy, I am scared. I don't like this place. I want to go home.
Don't worry, Leo. Dr. White is very nice. He will fix your tooth. The pain will stop.
Really, Dad? Mommy, look. Why is this tooth black?
That is a cavity, Maya, because the kid ate too much candy.
Ew. It looks ugly.
Leo, please come in.
Okay, champion. Let's go.
Hello, Leo. I am Dr. White. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Doctor.
Please, sit here. This is my pilot chair.
Wow. This chair is very big.
Let me turn on the light.
Oh no! It is too bright.
Don't worry. Now, open wide, say ah.
Don't touch my tooth.
It's okay, Leo. Look at this. It is just a small mirror. I only want to look at your teeth. No pain.
Just a mirror?
Yes, just to see inside. Is that okay?
Okay.
Open wide. Aha! I see something here. It is a big hole. A big cavity. Leo, tell me the truth. Did you eat candy last night? And did you brush your teeth?
Well, maybe. Just a little bit. Yummy chocolate. I am so full, and I am very sleepy.
Leo, did you brush your teeth?
Yes, Mommy. I don't want to brush now. Too tired. I will brush tomorrow morning.
That is the problem, Leo.
I am sorry.
Leo, do you know what happens when you eat candy but don't brush?
I don't know. What happens, Doctor?
Okay, let me tell you a story about the sugar bugs. Inside your mouth is a beautiful world, but tonight, the bad bugs are waking up.
Hey, boys! Wake up! Look at this!
Wow.
Chocolate. Sticky and sweet.
It's a party! Yummy!
Sugar, we love sugar.
This is delicious.
Okay, lunch is over. Now, let's build a house. Bring the drill. Break this white wall.
Yes, boss! Dig! Dig! Dig!
Oh no. Stop. Please, stop. It hurts. My enamel is breaking.
Deeper. Make a big hole.
Help! Help! The bugs are inside me.
Oh no! Doctor! Are they inside right now? What happens next?
If we don't stop them, the party gets bigger. The hole gets bigger, and it will hurt more and more.
No! I don't want more pain! What should I do?
Don't worry, it is easy. Just be a good boy. Sit still. Let me clean the bugs. The pain will stop right now.
Okay. I am ready.
Great job, Leo. You can close your mouth now. We are all done.
Huh? Is it finished? Already?
Yes. Completely finished. The hole is filled. The tooth is strong again.
Wow! It didn't hurt at all!
See? I told you.
It is getting so dark. Hello? It is so quiet. I want my mommy. Oh no! Open the door! Please, open! Help! Is anyone out there? Help me, please! Nobody is here. They all went home. I am locked inside. What do I do?
Yay! School is over!
Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Just a little more red. Perfect.
Hello? Is anyone still in the art room? Looks empty. Everyone went home. Time to turn off the lights and lock the door.
Huh? Why is it so dark? Wait! Don't lock it! I'm still in here! Oh no. The door is locked. I can't get out. It's so scary. Maya, when you are in trouble, take a deep breath. Just stay calm. Breathe in, breathe out. I can do this. Stay calm. Crying won't help. I need to send a signal.
Where is Maya? I'm hungry. Daddy, look at the time. Maya is very late.
You're right, Leo. This is not like her. Let's go inside.
A big paper? Yes! This is perfect! I need a bright color. Red is very easy to see. MAYASOS. Please see this, Daddy. A giant paper plane. It will fly very far. The window is a bit high. Almost there. Fly, little plane. Go find my family.
Pick up the phone, Grace, please. Grace, Maya is not at the gate. We are looking for her now.
Ouch! Hey, what hit my head? A giant paper plane? Where did it come from? Daddy, look! It says Maya SOS. Maya threw this. Let's go find her.
She must be in the art room. Hurry.
Oh no! I didn't know she was still inside.
Yeah! Ha-ha! Daddy! Leo! You found me! Maya, are you okay? I was so worried about you.
Oh, my brave girl. You are safe now. Let's go home.
Okay, Dad.
Maya. Daddy called me. I was so worried. It's okay now. Mommy is right here.
I'm so sorry, Mommy. I painted too long and didn't watch the time.
It's okay, my sweet girl. You were very brave. You stayed calm like I taught you. Parents, always teach your kids what to do when they are alone.
And kids, remember to watch the time. If you are trapped, just stay calm. I got a bad grade on my math test today.
Maya, you really need to pay attention and try harder next time.
Can I have a new coloring set, please?
Not today, Maya. You need to focus on your math right now.
Mommy, can we please have pizza for dinner tonight?
Of course. Pizza is a great idea.
You only care about Leo. You love him more than me.
Wow, this is so nice.
Who is in this picture, Leo?
It is our family. Look, this is me.
Oh, my sweet boy. Your picture is very good. We love it.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, dear. What do you have behind your back?
I got a bad grade on my math test today.
Oh, Maya, let me see this. We studied this yesterday. You were too fast and made mistakes.
Maya, you really need to pay attention and try harder next time.
I know. I'm sorry. Mommy, can we please have pizza for dinner tonight?
Of course. Pizza is a great idea.
Mommy, Daddy, Leo gets pizza. Can I have a new coloring set, please?
Not today, Maya. You need to focus on your math right now. No new toys yet.
Let's fix that math grade first, okay? Then we can talk about it.
But that's just not fair.
Dinner is ready. Dig in, everyone.
Yay! Yummy pizza! Look, Maya! It's so good! Stop it, Leo! Just leave me alone! Why are you so mad?
Maya! That is not nice. Don't yell at your brother.
It's just not fair! You always say yes to Leo. You buy him pizza, but I get nothing! You only care about Leo. You love him more than me. I hate this.
Oh, Ethan. We made a big mistake. She thinks we do not love her.
You're right. We need to go talk to her. Maya, sweetheart, can we come in?
Please leave me alone. Just go eat with your Leo.
I know you are sad, my darling. But please listen to a short story.
Huh?
Once, a gardener had a tiny sunflower and a big rose bush. The tiny sunflower is just a baby plant. It only needs water to grow. That's like Leo, but the big rose is ready to bloom. It must be trimmed carefully to have beautiful flowers. That's like you.
The gardener didn't cut the rose because he was mad at it. He did it to make it the most beautiful flower. We push you because we know how amazing you are. We love you so much, Maya. Just as much as Leo.
I'm sorry, Maya. Here, have my pizza.
Thank you, Leo. I'm sorry I yelled at you.
Parents, children understand love in simple ways. Be careful.
When your kids feel sad, please don't yell. Talk slowly and explain that they are always loved.
Friends, have you ever felt like me? Sending you a big hug. Always believe in your parents' love. Please like and share our story.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.